Welcome to GMC English Mastery, where we learn, grow, and inspire the world.
Hi there, how's it going guys? I hope you're having a great time at home. In this video, I am going to talk to you about a mistake that most English learners make. Let's take a look at it. It's the verb participate. Alright, so the thing is, when they use this verb right here, they usually end up using on or to after it. That's basically incorrect. Why? Because you can't use to or in after the verb participate. The only preposition that you have to use is in there. Alright, let's take a look at the first example. I participate in an English competition. It should be like this. Do you understand? Alright, the next example. We participated, past tense, atida kale. We participated in the sports meet, not we participated on the sports meet or for the sports meet. It must be we participated in the sports meet. ඉතින් ඊළඟ පාර මේ වැරද්ද ඔයා කරන්න එපා. ඔයා essay එකක් ලියද්දි, letter එකක් ලියද්දි, note එකක් ලියද්දි අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම සහභාගී වෙනවා හෝ සහභාගී වුණා කියන අදහස දෙන්න නම් participate නැත්නම් participated එකත් එක්ක in ගන්නම ඕනේ. That's a must guys, all right? So with that being said, I'm going to stop today's video. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye and take care.
Welcome to GMC English Mastery, where we learn, grow, and inspire the world.